Hey guys, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time watching, as always, welcome back. So I really wanted to film some makeup and some beauty today. I put on my story, I put in my post on YouTube, asked you guys what you wanted to see, just to get some inspo, some ideas. So if you do have some inspo and ideas and haven't already told me, feel free to drop those in the comments below. I plan on churning out some good videos for you guys in these next couple days, weeks, and possibly months, depending on how long we are forced to be home. But while I was doing my makeup, because I have some Zoom meetings later today, I was looking at my products and thinking, like, what have I not shared with them that I kind of feel strongly about and really think is a good product or tip for you guys to have. And I remembered a product that I discovered in September that I mentioned on my Instagram at Malibu Darby, but I didn't ever make a full video for. So that's what we are here today to do. So if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button right over there. And like I said, I'll be doing some really good uploads in the coming weeks. So if you hit the bell, you can also know when I upload, when all the new videos are coming out, and get up-to-date information on everything that I'm posting. Without further ado, let's jump into the product we're talking about today. Okay guys, so most of you guys are familiar with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I have mentioned this in my video multiple times. Here's the product. I have raved about it. It is my go-to ride or die setting spray for years. I have so many multiple bottles of it. I didn't even bother to bring them all over here to show y'all because y'all have seen it 1,000 times. But for my wedding, I started researching like the absolute best goes nowhere spray, because for my wedding, it was going to be 92 degrees. I was outdoors a lot. I planned to be beat down from 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. for the after party again. So I started researching, and I'd heard of this company before, but I never really ventured into trying their products. The company that I'm talking about is Skindinavia. Here's that packaging. And funny enough, Skindinavia actually owns Urban Decay, and they are the creator of the all-nighter sprays. So they're all related and connected. However, what kind of made me lean towards trying them for the wedding is that Skindinavia is not sold in your Ultas and your Sephora's or drugstores. It's sold more in like theater stores, professional stores, and things like that. So for me, I'm like, okay, so if it's used for stage acting, it's used for drag makeup, it's used for professional makeup, for like photography, long wear makeup, that's what I want. I don't just want what y'all are selling to everybody on the streets. I want like the top tier, strongest formula that you have. So that's what I did. So I purchased the Skindinavia Bridal Makeup Setting Spray. This is $29 for the 4 ounce, $39 for the 8 ounce, and this is a 4 ounce bottle here. So this is a pretty decent size. And those prices are comparable with the Urban Decay All Nighter or some other high-end setting sprays. They actually have 3 formulas. So they have your regular formula. They have your oil control, which is similar to the All Nighter De-Slick, which is meant to like mattify, absorb oil, and kind of do a stronger job than just the regular formula. And then they have the Bridal. Now clearly my wedding has come and gone. We're no longer in the bridal stages, but there were some things that they listed in the bridal formula that really stuck out to me that seemed like, why would you not want this every single day? So it is sweat proof, cry proof, kiss proof, prevents color shifting and fading, keeps makeup in place all day, oil free, and works up to 16 hours. And I will tell y'all, for my wedding, my makeup did not move. Like, it did not shift, it did not move. In the club, I would still be, everything was in place. And I've still been using this faithfully since then. But I feel like with summer quickly approaching in Atlanta, it's already been having some really hot days. I feel like now more than ever, y'all need to know about this spray, because this is gonna keep your summertime faces, when they do open up back outside, this is gonna keep your day party face, your Taco Tuesday face in place the whole time. So what I'm gonna do, I've had this makeup on honestly already for about an hour. I am going to do a little wear test. Now, since we can't really go outside, I can't give you a full day where I go to the club and go to the mall and do all the things. But I'm going to do a little bit of strenuous stuff in the house. I'm actually going to work out in the current face that I have on, which I would never, ever, 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 ever suggest that you do. So I'm risking my life for you guys. But I just want to like sweat. I want to move around. I want to give myself a couple hours in the makeup so we can really see how it shifts, if it shifts, and how it holds up to what it says that it can do. Because it says it's sweat proof. So I'm going to take a before picture, do what I need to do for the evening, and then I will be back as late as possible My quarantine sleep routine is trash, so I will be back as late as possible, and we will see if this current face is still held together. So I will see y'all in a few hours.
5 hours later.
Okay, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking working out in my makeup just for this video. Even when I came downstairs, we turned our garage into a home gym because we have to work out. Aaron saw me and was like, why do you have your makeup on? He was really concerned that I was working out my makeup. So I really was risking my life, and I hope I don't regret this in the morning if I have some crazy breakouts. But I had a serious workout. He is mean as a trainer. So I was like sprinting, sweating, working out. This is not a cute little cardio walk around the neighborhood. And I must say, my makeup looks really good. I was trying so hard during the workout not to wipe my face because I was sweating so much. I even asked him after, like, how does my makeup look? And he said it still looks good. It looks, I'm just looking, I have a teeny bit of creasing under the under eye. But as far as like my concealer everywhere else, blush, everything like that. Sorry, I had the mirror in the camera. I feel like, and I'm not sure how this looks on camera, but I feel like for me to have had this on for, let me see, I had to make one for an hour when I first filmed. I was about 40 and some change, basically 6 hours, and I have worked out. It's a yes for me. I have never worked out on makeup before, so I really wasn't sure. I was hoping this didn't go completely bad and prove me wrong, but I do believe it's sweat proof because I don't have streaks where I was sweating. I kind of had sweat all over my face. I was getting sweat in my eyes. I don't have any streaks. My makeup, I don't have any transferring on my hands when I like touch my face. Yeah, see, there don't have any transfer on my hands. So I can only imagine just like wearing this out and about in the daytime where you're sweating a little bit more gentle than I was sweating today. I feel like it's gonna keep it in place. I know I was sweating at my wedding and it kept it in place, but I never really did like a study to see how it worked. So yeah, besides some under eye creasing, which I get anyway when I wear makeup for a long time or stuff like that, I'm very impressed, as I knew I would be. So yeah, y'all, with the summer coming up, hopefully we'll be outside by then. I feel like you need a good warm weather, sweat proof, cry proof, allegedly, kiss proof, no fake, no transfer, anything like that kind of spray. So I again am recommending the Skindinavia makeup finishing spray, specifically the bridal version, because the proof's in the sweatless makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any ideas that you want me to do in the coming days and weeks, put those in the comment box below. I have got to run off and shower and get ready for Club Quarantine on Instagram tonight. You know, everybody's going live, so I gotta get ready for that. And I will see you guys in the next video.